All right, this is our 2013 Upper Deck Ultimate Football Random Letters number 2, 3-box break. Thank you guys for the fill. Let's see. So we got a filler coming up. There's the names in the filler. 2 for Jet Yank, 3 for Carolyn, 2 for Stacy, and 1 for Mike Zach. That's 5, 6, 7, 8 total. Top 4 get the last 4 spots, guys. Top 4 get the last 4 spots. I'm going to roll the dice. I'll tell you what, I'm going to use the same number for the names, for the filler, the names, the letters, and the boxes, so we don't have to keep going with this. All right? We got an 8. 8 on everything. 8 on everything. All right. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. The top 4 are in. Stacy, Jet Yank, Stacy, and Carolyn. Sorry, Michael, but at least Stacy got 2 of them. All right. Stacy, Jet, Stacy, and Carolyn. I'm going to add that to the list up here. All right, there's your list of names on the screen. First up, I'm going to do the boxes just because I just want to get that out of the way. They're all sitting in front of me here. So I'm going to enter the numbers I got here, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2. What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13, 14, 15. All right, we're going 8 times, top 3 boxes. 8 times, top 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I double clicked it. Hold on. Make sure it's not going through. All right, still at 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Top 3 boxes. 4, 9, and 8. 4. There's 9. There's 4. And there's 8. All right, guys. After this, I have 9 boxes left. All right. After we rip this, I got 9 boxes left. If we want to do 1 box, $6 a letter. 2 boxes, $12 a letter. 3, $15. All right. You get a discount with 3, and we can do it right after we're done with this. Got your boxes right here. 4, 8, and 9. 4, 8, and 9 right there. All right. Now we're going to go 8 times on the letters. Okay, guys, here's the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, there's no I. J, K, L, M, N, and V. N and V are a combo spot. O, P, R, S, T, W, and Y. There's 5 letters that aren't in there. Those letters are, I'll read them to you from here. I, Q, U, X, and Z. All right? You're going to have to wait, but I'll get it to you if you just hang out. I'm doing a break right now, but I'll gladly get you one. All right. There's the letters, guys. We're going 8 times. 8 times for the letters and then the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time on the letters. We got K up top, F at the bottom. I'm just putting them on the sheet. They're not your letters yet because obviously I didn't do the names yet, but I am pasting them next to your spots just to let everybody know. Alright, now I'm going to take this. We're going 8 times to match them up. Alright, just to verify, I got Jet Yank with 2, Ace has got 3, Sketchy's got 1, Chris has 2, Marlins with 2, Aces again, Jet Yank, Ryan, Ryan again, Stacy, then Mike, Stacy again, Jet, Stacy, and Carolyn. That should be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, that's everybody's spots. We're going 8 times. We'll match them up. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. Good luck. Marlins is up top, closed out by Aces at the bottom. Alright, they should be on the screen. Let me just remove the random thing. Oh, they're off a little bit. Hold on a second. Alright, they're back. Alright, we got Marlins with K, Stacy P, N, and V, Aces L, Sketchy C, Mike Zach S, Chris R, Jet Yank has W and B, Ryan has A, Jet Yank with J, Chris has the Y, Aces M, Marlins G, Aces with the H, Stacy E, Carolyn O, Ryan with the D, Jet Yank T, Aces with F. Alright, I'll give you guys a couple minutes. You can talk about trading, selling, buying, whatever. DJ J Honorin, I'm going to give you 2 steps. You need to listen carefully, please. It's not that hard. Just follow 2 steps for me, and you'll have $10 in your account, alright? Okay, first, copy and paste that link. Verify that it says Peace312 as the referral username at the bottom of the screen when you hit sign up. Alright, fill in your info. Before you go any further, you need to hit enter a promo code, or I think it says do you have a promo code. You need to also hit that. When you hit that, you need to enter the following. This is a unique promo code for you only. Enter that. $10 will be in your account. Come back to the chat. Let us know your username. I want to rip this up as soon as you confirm that's in there, alright? Let us know your username. You'll have $10 in your account for free. Thanks for trying it out. Let me know how you like it. You can use it for football, baseball, whatever you want. $10 for free. Got it? Those are the directions. Come back and tell me when you're done with your username, please. Oh, it's cool. We'll be doing more of that stuff. I don't think that was just like a kind of a test. What's up, TUV? Same for you, TUV. If you want to do anything with Fantasy Draft, I got $10 for you. All right. Is there any trades? Did they win? Nice. Let's see what place I'm in now. Is there any trades, any sales, any purchases? We're sticking with the letters. Wow, I'm in 5th place. 5th place, and I got a freaking goose egg from Brandon Moss and Borges, it looks like. Ugh. Could have had somebody in there that would have really helped out. I got 132 points, though. Alright, guys, this is a fun break. I just want to let you guys know we should do another one right after this. So if anybody's interested, get your numbers ready. We'll line it up. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do this. I don't think anybody's going to make any moves. Just waiting on this from DJ, and I'm starting a break here. 3 boxes. We'll set them right here. We'll do this. Good luck, everybody. This is nice stuff, guys. For the price, this is really nice stuff. There's some big hits in here for 15 bucks a letter. Did you get your 10 bucks, DJ? Mike's checking on that. All right. Wow. First up, we got a really nice base card numbered to 10. I don't know much about this player, but it's a rookie numbered to 10. Numbered to 10, going out to the A spot. Ryan Emery, numbered to 10, 5 of 10 for Ezekiel Anza. Ezekiel Anza from BYU. Ultimate Rookies, numbered to 10. That's normally just a base card, so that's nice. Good start. I don't know who he is. He's a rookie from BYU. I'm not sure. Lions, huh? Nice. What's up, AAU ball? Guys, we're going to run one of these back right after this, so let me know. It's nice stuff for the price. 15 bucks a spot, 3 boxes. 20 random letters, 15 bucks. All right. Next up, Ultimate Rookie Signatures to 199. I guess those 10 ones we hit were pretty good. This one's to 199. Going out to the end spot, Stacy with the hit. 143 of 199, Ryan Nassib in the booklet. Booklet Rookie Signature Auto. It's a die cut. Look at that. These are really nice. They're booklets and they're die cuts. There it is. Ryan Nassib on card auto. Die cut booklet for the end spot. Nice card. All right. Wow, that was. You're supposed to get 2 base on top. We got. Huh. Maybe it's a. No, we got. Wow. This was a good box, like hit wise. Uh-oh. We got a big random coming up, guys. No, we don't. We don't have a random. Wow. Somebody hit a pretty good one. Not auto. Dual patch. Dual ultimate patch. White and red, Wisconsin and Michigan State. B, going out to the B spot. Who's got it? Jet Yank with the hit. Le'Veon Bell and Monte Ball to 50. 49 of 50. We got a double B spot, no random. Le'Veon Bell and Monte Ball. Nice hit, Jet Yank. See, this stuff is nice for $15 a spot, man. Nice card. Le'Veon. Best back in the league. Jet Yank, you just kill it in this room. You always get the big hits. I mean, that's not huge, but it's nice. Alright, next up, we do have a random on the next one. If it was a team, we wouldn't have a random, but because it's letters, we got the A spot, Ryan Emery, and we got the S spot, Mike Zach. Ryan Emery and Mike Zach to 25, dual ultimate jersey for West Virginia, Geno Smith and Tavon Austin to 25. Mike Zach and Ryan Emery. If you guys want to do anything with it, let me know. Must be nice, Robert. Alright, got a random there. Box number 2 coming up. Did we confirm $10 was good to go, DJ? You got $10 in your account. Mike, you confirmed his username. Can I throw this away? The card, I mean. You didn't get it? It should have been in there instantly if you did what I told you. So simple, yet everybody screws it up and I have to send emails and have it transferred, and I'm going to have to stop doing it if it's that hard. I'm not going to be able to do it because I can't keep emailing them to do that for me. It's supposed to be done already. It's a bit frustrating. Your $10 should be in there regardless. If you use the promo code, the $10 should be in your account. Just check your balance up top. Alright. First up is a base card. First up is a base card, the 175, going out to the P spot. Alan Page, DN, the P spot. Stacy again. Stacy with a base card to 175, Alan Page. Next up is a base rookie, 66 of 99, base rookie for the R spot, going out to Chris Beard, Sheldon Richardson on the base rookie to 99. Sheldon Richardson for Chris. How are you hitless? We're halfway through the break. Alright. Well, we got another nice one coming up next. 199 on the booklet. Ultimate Rookie Signatures. Marquise Goodwin for the G spot. That G spot, Marlon Sanity with the hit to 199. Ultimate Rookie Signatures die cut booklet. The die cut and the signature on the inside on the auto. Marquise Goodwin die cut booklet going out to Marlon Sanity. They are nice cards. I think I need to grab. Well, if you go hitless, you'll just have to jump in the next one. I'm cutting the wrong thing, doing the wrong thing. Jeez, oh man. I meant to cut that. He's taken. Good one. All right. Next up. Well, why not just give it to the man Jet Yank again? Jet Yank with another Le'Veon Bell. 19 of 60. Nice patch, multicolor, some lettering in there. 19 of 60, ultimate patch, Le'Veon Bell again. Nice break, Jet. Very nice, sir. I don't know how you do it constantly in here. You constantly hit them. Very nice. Alright guys, we always penny sleeve and top load all the cards on the spot. You guys know that. Keep them nice and neat here for you. That's the end of the second box. Ripping into the third one here. After this box, I'm going to drop a line. We're going to run back 3 boxes at only 15 bucks a letter. We're going to run it right back. 20 spots. He's signed up. What's FCC? Oh, the Fantasy Cash? He must not have typed it. All right, are you showing? Is he showing under you, Mike? We'll have to handle the promo code later then, I guess, but I don't understand why. If you entered it at sign up, it should be there. All right, last box. First up, base card to 175. 175 for the R spot. Chris Beard again. 087 of 175. Nice one, Jerry Rice. Nice base card to 175 of Rice. Chris Beard. Bettis. Alright, this guy has a double last name. Thank goodness it's both the same letter. Base card, rookie to 99. 90 of 99 for Blitty Relson. W spot. The W spot, Jet Yank getting a base. Jet Yank with the, whoever this guy is, rookie base to 99. Booklet, ultimate rookie signatures to 199. Ultimate rookie signatures to 199. 007 of 199 for the E spot. The E spot, Stacy with a booklet for Tyler Eifert. Tyler Eifert booklet, die cut. Notre Dame auto booklet. These are nice booklets. Nice hit, Stace. Yeah, she runs pretty well. Alright. One spot left, one card left. Super Jersey to 35. 31 of 35. Oh my goodness. For the T spot, Jet Yank, Vinny Testaverde. Vinny Testaverde. Jet, I think you had some good letters, huh? Vinny T. All right, guys, let's run one back. Let's keep it going. Drop a line. I might even jump in this one if we get close enough. Let me drop a line for you. All right, Jet. 15 bucks a spot. 3 boxes. 20 available. Let's run it back. If it doesn't fill, we can try a 1 or 2 boxer, guys, for 6 or 12 bucks. This is a direct buy-in, 15 bucks. Mike, Zach, and Ryan Emery. Are we randoming off that card? I don't know, man, because Jet Yank hit them all. You guys want to try a single box? It'd be $6 a letter. We can get that one filled faster. How about that? $6 a spot. 20 spots, 1 box. Ryan, you you're good with the random, right? There's 2, 18 more. $6 a spot for a single box. Ryan, you're good with the random before I do it? Oh, I know, Marlins. I know how you roll. All right. This is number 2. That's a dice. 8. 8 times, guys. S&A. S&A. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Good luck. Going to the A spot. Going to the A spot. Who's the A? Ryan. Ryan with the winner. Sorry, Michael. All right. Nobody wants in on that, huh? I thought we'd be able to run another one of those. Why don't we do a group break then of something else? Playbook, certified, crown, or absolute, or personal boxes or hit drafts. Let's do something. It's too early to be winding down. What do you guys want? You want another? You want any more of this stuff? Personal boxes or what? Mike, that guy left. Oh, Mike left too. What the hell? Absolute, full case. Pick your team. You got to help me out and buy into it before it's almost full, which would be now. 25 left. All right, tell me what you guys want. Oh, Hanley finally did something at the end. Borges and Moss killed me. All right, well, let's see. Who wants a personal box or a hit draft? Anybody down for that? Damn it, I took him out too. Hit draft, Quantum Football, 1 box, Quantum. This is Upper Deck Quantum, high-end stuff. 2013, 25 a spot, 5 spots. It's a hit draft. There's 1. Need 4 more. Well, it's only going to go. I mean, Hit drafts have to go with everybody in there, so it's not going to break later. Don't worry. I don't know why you don't like watching YouTube videos. What's up, Danny? Your cards went out today, man. Hit draft, 25 bucks. Danny's got one. 3 left, guys. 3 left. We can rip a box of Quantum. It's nice stuff. High-end Quantum stuff. College uniforms, on-card autos, sick patches. It's 2013. 3 left. '13 Upper Deck Quantum hit draft. 3 spots left. Mike and Stacy both just signed out, huh? All right. Carolyn, aces. Anybody else want a spot? Three spots left. All right, I'll bite. I'll take one. Let's go. 2 left. I'll jump in there with you guys. I like this stuff. Two left. Anybody want it? Anybody want it? What's up, Food Stamps SoCal? Playbook is $150. It's a full case, 15 boxes, so it's expensive one. There's 7 left. We may break it down into 3 or 4 boxes at a time, because if it doesn't sell as the 150, then we'll do like $36 for 3 boxes, and that'll be random divisions also. It's a full case, 15 boxes is how I have it set up right now. What's up, Matt? All right, so we got Danny and Marlins and myself in for a hit draft on 1 box of Quantum Football. Nice high-end product, $25. You're guaranteed a card. We got 2 spots left. The playbook, yeah, it's not going to break. I mean, I highly doubt it's going to break tonight. That's I need 6 more people at $150, so it's highly unlikely. It would be nice if you jumped in though, but yeah, it's not likely to break unless I don't know if Carolyn would want to jump in that one. Robert Ace has already said he was out on that. Jet Yank left. Matt K, I don't know. Anybody else? It would be hard to get to 8 probably. How do I do that? I don't have an email. Send me an email or something. Are you in for anything else, Food Stamps? We got absolute full case pick your team, Crown Football half case pick your team. I got random teams for $30 and a full case of Totally Certified. It's 14 boxes. I have hit drafts we can do of all kinds of products. I got, well, I think the quickest thing we could break would probably be another 3 boxes of this random letters. If you grab some spots in there, I think Marlins had 2 maybe. We could probably fill that. Or if you want any personal boxes or hit drafts, I have Panini Hot Rookies. 2014, it's $50 or $13 a spot for hit drafts. The Quantum has 2 base cards that wouldn't be a part of the hit draft and 5 hits. I have SPX Football. We could do a hit draft or a personal box. I have 3 left, $75 a box or $20 4-spot hit draft. That's most of what I got in here, I think. Nope. Base doesn't go anywhere. It's 5 spots. There's 5 hits. They each pay $25. They each get a hit. If we did it that way, there would be more spots, and somebody would end up with a. We could do 6 spots, and you could take the base if you want. It's nice stuff, dude. I'm telling you, this Quantum. Look it up. I could probably get a checklist in a minute here, but we've done. It's so perfect for hit drafts. We can do 6 spots, $21 if you want to do that, and then the 2 base cards would go to the bottom. Well, anybody that wants them could get the 2 base cards. But we haven't done it that way yet. Yeah, no, I mean, it's a hit draft, you know, you're guaranteed a card. It's not a group break. So you're guaranteed to get something. It's a lot different.